Have you ever wondered what kind of ads YouTube runs on your channel? There's the skippable ads that everybody knows about, the ones where you click the skip ad. There's non-skippable ads, and there are some others. Let's just take a look. So when we go into YouTube, first of all, you've got to be in YouTube Studio. You have to be part of the YouTube Partner Program. So to be part of the YouTube Partner Program, you need to have certain criteria, minimum eligibility requirements. You got to follow the YouTube monetization policies. You got to live in a country or an area where the YouTube Partner Program is available, and you've got to get 4,000 hours of watch time on your public videos. That seems impossible, but it's actually quite achievable, even with a very small number of videos. And you've got to have more than 1,000 subscribers. And once you do that, you can apply for you can have a Google AdSense account once you get approved, and then you can start turning on ads on your channel. I'll include a link to this page in the description for this video. Once you are monetized, then you can turn on ads. And so, to turn on ads, you can do it for all of your videos. You can just do it for selected videos. There are some requirements depending on the content of your video that may exclude certain videos from ads. But let me show you, for example, the ads on this video here. So I select the video, and I'll just do it for one video at a time, instead of doing it for all of my videos. To turn on monetization, that means showing ads. I could turn it off for all of the ads on the channel, on that video rather, and click save. In fact, I'm going to turn it back on. Hit done. And these are the type of ads. You've got display ads. What are they? So display ads, they appear on desktop to the right of the main video that you are watching, and above the video's suggested list. So you know those suggestions that you get when you watch a video, you see those suggested videos below it. Well, the display ad appears to the right of that. Doesn't really intrude in any way on the viewer experience, I think. Then you've got the overlay ads. What are they? So overlay, they are semi-transparent ads that appear on the lower 20% portion of your video. So they can be a little bit intrusive in my eyes. I do find them, they do sometimes get in the way a little bit, especially if you've got some text or you've got something important happening on the bottom of your screen. Now, on my channel, I have found that those ads, let me just share with you that which ads are generating the revenue for me. And your mileage may vary, but if I look at the kinds of ads, say over the last 28 days on my own channel, I see that most of the ads, most of the revenue that I get is actually from skippable video ads. That really surprised me, but that's been a pattern all the way through on my channel. I have not, even if I go back, say, let me go back 90 days, I'm seeing skippable video ads are accounting for most of my revenue. So thank you for those of you who watch those ads and don't skip them. I think you may have to watch maybe 30 seconds of the ad or something like that for me to get paid. Not sure of that. So those are the skippable video ads. You're allowed to skip the ads after 5 seconds. And those ads could happen before your video starts, during the video, I'll show you that in a minute, or after that main video. Okay? And then if you turn this on, you may also see a combination of skippable ads and bumper ads. So what are bumper ads? So bumper ads are non-skippable ads. I've already mentioned the non-skippable ads, which go for 15 or 20 seconds. Some creators like to not have those non-skippable ads, but I keep them on my channel. But non-skippable video ads of up to 6 seconds. So those are bumper ads. And they have to be shown for 6 seconds before your video can be viewed. Okay? And so those are the bumper ads. and then we look back again. We'll just have a quick look at and then there are sponsored cards. So that's when you have got, when you are putting in a video and you say this video includes a sponsored advertisement, includes a, and then you've got the sponsored cards. And so those are cards that display content that may be relevant to your video. So those are the ones where you may specifically call out, hey, I'd like to thank this company who have sponsored this video, and then the viewers will see a teaser for that card for a few seconds, and then that allows the sponsors really to have their specific sponsored ad on your specific video. Now, there's one other area I want to show you, which is the mid-roll ads. So some ads are going to appear before the video, they're pre-roll. Some will appear after the video, and I believe now that YouTube is always showing an after video ad for videos that are 10 minutes long or more. But there's also mid-roll ads. So a mid-roll ad happens when a video is at least 8 minutes long, and you as a creator can put in mid-roll ads. So during the video you can put in an ad. You can put in several ads if you want. You can put in these ad breaks during the video itself. And now of course you don't want to put in too many ads to drive people away, but each one of them is potentially a way of you to earn some money. Those are mid-roll ads. So mid-roll ads apply only for videos that are at least 8 minutes long. And now at the moment, that's as of February. Now I could go and create a new video in here. I might find a break in the video, and I put in a new ad break just there. And then once I do that, you can see that has gone in there at 10 minutes 30, or I could drag that back and leave it just in there. I could find a break. I could watch a little bit of my video and find a nice natural break to put in that ad. I'm just going to pop that in at the moment. Just drag it on a little bit further, and then I'll hit continue and save. So that's it. Those are the types of ads that are available on YouTube advertising. And if you want to learn more about the YouTube Partner Program, then you can check the link in the description below. I'll include a link to these YouTube advertising formats in the description of my video, and I'll also include a link of how to get yourself started with the YouTube Partner Program. If you have found this helpful, then you may like to click like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. And for that matter, you might want to watch one of my ads from time to time, one of the ads that runs on my channel.